That's a great question, and everybody's chin's a little bit different. I'm going to show you with my one blade core razor with the flexing head. It's a safety razor, single blade. So if you notice, my chin kind of goes down and out. It could be bumpy this way, and it could be tight that way. Typically what I do is I'll take the razor and lightly go over it like this. A little more shave cream. Tilt your head up and lightly go down. And I do go across the chin a little bit. See how I got the little butt chin? And I kind of do it this way. And then when I do it from underneath, lightly. But you can see how the skin changes as you move your mouth around. I know people make fun. Could I do this when I'm shaving underneath? But anyways, that's how I approach my chin. It is an area that you want to go slowly and lightly. Just a little bit of pressure. You don't have to push down hard, just a little bit of pressure. Make sure you pick the blade up and off again, like that. And that's how I kind of go at my chin. This is usually a spot where I nick myself the most. So good shave cream, and then just kind of go on it. Hopefully that helps.